Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students. As per the given question, we need to state the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So in the null hypothesis, we see that there is no difference in the mean number of coffees consumed per week between the Wheatley and Headington students, which is, we could say, mu1 is equals to mu2. And coming to the alternative hypothesis, we say that Waitley students drink less coffee per week than the Headington students, which is mu1 is less than mu2. So in the next step, let us determine the level of significance, which is alpha is equals to 0.05. And now let us calculate the test statistics, where we will use the t-test for independent samples, since we have two different groups of students, which is calculated by t is equals to mu1 minus mu2 divided by under root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. So now let us substitute the values in this, which is equals to 17.2 minus 19.6, and this is a whole divided by under root of 2.7 whole square divided by 18 plus 2.4 whole square divided by 25. So this gives the answer as minus 2.4 divided by 0.7971 when we calculate this to some further extent, and finally the t value is equals to minus 3.01 would be the answer. So in order to determine the critical value, since we are conducting a one-tailed test with 5% level of significance, we need to find the critical value for a t distribution, which is 18 minus 1 plus 25 minus 1 is equals to 42 degrees of freedom. Using a t-table or a calculator, we need to find the critical value to be approximately equals to minus 1.68. This is a tabulated value which is extracted from the t distribution tables. So now we need to compare the test statistics to the critical value and make a decision. As therefore, we could see that the test statistics, which is minus 3.01, is less than the critical value, which is minus 1.68. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis H0. Therefore, we have evidence to support that belief that Waitley students drink less coffee per week than the Headington students at 5% level of significance, and the assumptions that are made are first assumption is all the samples are random and independent. And the populations are normally distributed. And the third one is population variance of both the populations are equal. So as per the asked in the question, the assumptions are these, and this is the conclusion. I hope this video finds you helpful. Thank you.